This is part 2 of a fine horror story. Just listen to this.
With that thing in my mind of, man, dude, I don't think I could make it here. I don't think I'm good enough. That's when I reached out to someone who also transitioned from, she was a nurse and transitioned to be a cloud engineer, a DevOps engineer, actually working in the cloud in another organization. So I messaged him, I was like, hey, listen, this is my 3rd day here. I don't know what the heck is going on. I don't know if I'm at the right place. I don't know if I made the right decision coming here, but I see you killing it. And you came from a nursing background. Like, what did you do to help you throughout this time? She was like 9 months into her role. And I remember she told me this, man. This lady said that the first week she sent in her resignation to her manager. Wow. And I was like, what? I was like, hold on, but you're still there. Because my mind, but you're still there. So I'm like, wait, what happened? Tell me the story. And she said basically her manager declined her resignation and basically told her like, hey, we brought you here for a reason. We know you're not a high-skilled superstar yet, but we believe in you and we can help you get there. Because the manager was so gracious to not accept her resignation, she was been there for almost 2 years now, just killing it. It wasn't until she said that is when I understood that the way how I was feeling, I was not in this by myself. I was not alone. Like everybody else was feeling the same way when they landed their first job. But nobody was talking about this. Like everybody's talking about, landing your first job, take this boot camp or take some program or go to college, land your first job. But no one was talking about the first month, how you feel like you're not worth anything because you can't contribute to the team or you can't read none of the stuff. My weakness was that I didn't know how to read code well. I could write Python, but I couldn't read somebody else's code. So I just kept on reading. And then I remember on the 4th week, I think my manager gave me a new Lambda function. And I just started reading it, right? Without paying attention to it. I had reached to like line 60. When I reached to line 60, it hit me. I was like, dude, you're reading code. 60 lines. You just went back to back straight to 60. And I was like, what the freak? 4 months ago, you didn't even know what none of this stuff was. Now you're reading new code. You're understanding how it integrates to the overall infrastructure, and you're able to add more code to it. They might not prepare you for this. They might not tell you about it, but when you land that first job, it might be the hardest thing you ever do. Especially that first week, but you have to understand that you're going to get through it, and over time it will become more manageable. But the first 4 to 6 weeks is going to feel like you're grinding your teeth, you're tearing your hair out, but it's just part of the process. You're evolving.